Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. As always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Let us know what you think. Write in, we'll try to get back to you, or if you got something you want to see, let us know. This is a shout out to Myra. Today's for you out there in Blowing Rocks, North Carolina. We're going to do an aioli for you. So we're going to start off making an aioli. Pretty simple. Let's just get right into it. Got a little container here. Going to need some eggs, some lemon. Traditionally, an aioli was just made with garlic and oil, like a nice olive oil or a blend or something like that, and did it in a mortar and pestle till it was nice and creamy. It's sort of evolved now. It's more of an emulsion sauce. Think about a mayonnaise. Big difference between the mayonnaise and the aioli is going to be the fact that the aioli still is going to have the garlic in it, and the type of oil that you use. Mayonnaise is going to be a nice light canola oil, vegetable oil, corn oil. Your aioli is going to have more of an olive oil or an olive oil blend. That's what I've got here. Is I've got a nice light olive oil blend, and we're going to do that. So let's just get started. We're going to do about 3 eggs, and all we want is the yolks. So. Oh, Now, if you were saving those, you're going to make some macaroons or something. You could save those for something else, but not going to today. And then we've got a little lemon juice. We've got our garlic. I'm going to use a little roast garlic in here. So we got a couple nice cloves of that. You can always go back and see how we did that, but you've got to have some garlic in there. And a little pinch of some dried mustard. Don't have that? Use a little spoon of Dijon. That's okay too. And then we've got a nice lemon. Beautiful Meyer lemon. We're going to use that. And we're going to squeeze that in there. And between the acid and the oil, they're not really going to mix good, and that's what the egg yolk is for. And I like to add a little touch of water in. It helps with the emulsion, makes it nice and creamy. You don't need a lot, just a little splash, and maybe a little dash of some hot sauce. Not much. And from here, then we're just going to blend it up. And the trick is with these emulsions is you just want to blend it nice and you're going to add the oil in nice and slow. Go ahead and get everything blended up. And again, add it in real slow to start with. And then as it's taking it in, you can add it in a little faster. For the 3 eggs, you're going to use about a cup of oil. And you'll see it start pulling together. You can always add a little extra water if you need to. This is going to allow you to add in a little extra oil too. But look at that, it's beautiful and nice and thick. Of course, you're going to want a little salt and pepper in there too. And we're just going to add that in. And then give it a little blend. All right, beautiful. Now, from there, you're probably thinking, what can you do with this? Well, you can add all kinds of things. I mean, it is delicious just like it is. Amazing. You get that roast garlic flavor, nice and creamy. But I'm going to show you a couple quick things you can add to it. Again, let your imagination run wild, add whatever you want. But here's a couple that I like that are some of my favorites. We've got there we go. Of course, we can add a little pesto in. A little bit of pesto in your aioli, and then you can use that on all kinds of things. Beautiful. There's one. Another nice, easy one. How about a little wasabi and a little sesame oil? A little wasabi, however much you like, and just a dab of the sesame oil. That is beautiful. Put that on a little seared tuna or... And then the last one, love this on a little piece of fish or on a little salad. You just take a little bit of some anchovies and a couple of olives and chop that up. Oh, you're going to be amazed. This is actually good on its own as a nice little dip. Put this with your antipasto. Use it as a bruschetta spread. Dynamite right here. So Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. We've got an aioli and then a couple little mixes that you can do with this to try it out. As always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Share this one with your friends and let me know what you think.